Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
No! Damn it!
It's okay. Give me your phone. Give me your phone. Give me your phone.
I'm dead. No, my life's over, Sam. My life's over. Sam, my life's over. Sam, it's over.
Password.
Sam, it's over.
Password.
Sam, no, everything's over.
No, I know it's okay. Stop it.
Sam, everything's over.
Stop it.
Sam, it's over.
Call Eduardo.
Sam, it's over. No, my career's over. No, I can't go to school. How am I going to get to work? How am I going to go to school? Over. It's over.
Back to the back when I used to face peas on my gully was diamond. Holy shit! Now we made it here.
Oh, what's up? What do you want? What are they honking at me for? You're laying into it.
Michael got together with Alice. We wrote some songs that are on this album, and Dennis had written a great book, and we had done a concert in Dallas, Texas, regarding our signing. So things were getting, working more together, and we did some songs on Paranormal and then Detroit Stories. So during COVID, Alice
strange, wasn't it? Alright, you gonna stop? Hope so.
What the hell are you doing? Stop. Go, Mom, just go.
Damn.
What are you doing?
I have the green arrow, you don't! What are you doing?
That's when you want people to root for you. That's when you want people to support you. Once you've already won, people are like, he's amazing, he's so good.
Alrighty.
Act like senior executives or Google making an office that people felt like home in. It is all just a way to get a little bit more. Sometimes it's absolutely necessary. On Tickler, a work environment people want to go above and beyond is actually a good thing. A workplace where nobody knows how to behave themselves is just as miserable.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.